Right after high school, I was trying to get a job, but eventually when you have family and you have to support your family, you realize that the job you have is not enough for paying the bills. Even when I had the experience I didn't have the qualifications, I didn't have a diploma, certificate. So I saw the opportunities just come and go, and unfortunately I couldn't apply for those. For some reason I got in the mail, those magazines from this school. There was a new program about the maintenance. As soon as I saw it, I make a call and make an appointment. Coming back to school, it was not that hard, because even when I feel older than the rest of my schoolmates here, well, it's a very good environment. Schoolmates, the teachers, it's very nice to feel again in the school. I mean, it makes me feel younger maybe. I'm going to get an associate's in the maintenance technology, and also I'm going to get a diploma from welding. It's a very good combination. Having a welding diploma is a big deal. They give you the opportunity to apply for a job where they require not just experience but also the knowledge. They have a lot of people who know how to weld, but people who has to know how to weld and also has a diploma or certificate. That makes a difference at the moment that the employee is trying to choose who's going to hire. The proper training, how to work in the field. That's a big difference at the moment the employee wants to choose, okay, I have this guy who has a couple of years experience, and I have this guy who has a couple of years experience, but also has a diploma, has a certificate. I think the answer for it is who's going to choose. He's going to choose the guy for the diploma. I feel proud of being here at Sandburg College because I feel that I have improved on my knowledge in the welding field. I have improved my skills, and that's very important. And also, now I want to be prepared for a better job because hopefully I'm going to get a diploma, and that makes me feel even better. I mean, now knowing that I'm going to have better opportunities for myself and for support my family, it made me feel very happy. It made me feel very proud of myself.